What's up, you guys? It's me, like a boss Louie. I'm chilling at my friend's house for the night. Oh, what'd you guys make?
Some ramen noodle soup. It's a secret recipe.
Secret recipe.
It's more than it's a secret. I'll tell anyone.
I won't tell anyone.
How do I open this? Like that?
It's pretty wet.
You know what? Look.
Oh, that's just oh god.
Extra flavor.
Does that thing have like bleach inside?
Oh god, dump that shit, dude.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Perfect. Why not, right? Why not? Alright, let's check secret recipes.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells like metal.
This? Nah, I'm not afraid. Wait, I'll make a bomb, dude.
Oh shit! Oh.
I can breathe.
Why can't you breathe? Does it smell or what?
It smells too good, that's why.
Shit.
What else should I get? Where's the fork?
Why is there bubbles?
Look at the fork. A little bit more flavor.
Zesty. So do you pay? So like, is this a secret recipe or what?
Yeah, I can't tell anyone.
we can't tell anyone.
Yeah, just don't put the recipes that came in here, you know, because people can store idea.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
You know, put a boost, give it some coffee.
Okay, some coffee.
Think a little more. No.
Some coffee tablets. Oh, it just changed colors. Whoa.
It used to be white. Something happened.
I wonder.
Tomato sauce. Dude, there's more There's more like ingredients than the freaking soup itself.
Yeah, it's better than tomato sauce.
It's so perfect.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
I'm out. Throw it outside. Microwave.
Oh, you guys want me to?
Let's throw it outside. Outside. Get the other side. Oh my god, super heavy.
Which side? This side or this side?
This side.
Aren't the dogs there?
The dogs are gonna eat it.
They're right there. Go throw it.
Does it bite?
Our recipe was a success, but you know, we don't want anybody trying it because it's so good. Look at all these puppies.
Oh, fuck you. It landed on me. Me too.
What happened to the fork?
Stop. Oh, no, I got in my eye. Oh, it smells like gross. It smells like ass juice.
How do you know what that smells like?
The fork is up there.
Not anymore.
That's enough for today.
Yep. That was Cooking 101.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. Hi.
Oh, hell no!
It said a whole bunch of stuff.
I'm special or something.
I am special.
Shout out to the homeboy.
Shout out to everybody right here.
You're fucking retarded or something.
I smell like ass juice.
No, you're not. You smell.
Huh?
Oh my god, you guys put so much powder in there.
You don't.
Fuck.
You don't even know what we put.
Watch the YouTube video afterwards.
Yes,
What-
you guys
watch
open this.
No, that's paprika. We don't we don't mess with that.
You put it in there too.
Oh yeah. We don't mess with that. So. Peace, peace. Cooking 101.